Hi, my name's Emily Neck, and this is my website for speech pathology. It's a good website for parents who need tools to use at home for their kids who may have a speech impediment or different strategies to use, and it's collaborative from other speech pathologists. So here's my homepage, just describing that. And then you have my biography page, which just kind of tells you a little something about me, why I'm doing this, what I've done in the past, and here's a picture of me to get a visual. So if you go on my resource page to Web 2.0 Tools, this is just a little page that has some websites you can use that are very helpful for web tools and just to be used in lesson plans or in life. Then I go to my personal favorites page, which has a bunch of awesome websites that I have found and other people have found that include great websites for speech pathology for pediatrics. It has the link and what it is and a little description about the website. And then under my technology projects, my first one is my digital storyboard. And if you just click the link, it'll bring you straight to my YouTube of my digital storyboard on the coronavirus. Here was the introduction. And so that's just a video I did myself during this crazy time to educate people on it. Then under my mobile apps, you will find a PowerPoint that you can look at for Do Ink. It's an awesome program that you can use in your classrooms and include green screens and a bunch of awesome potential to use with that. And then under my PLN PLE page, here it is. So here is a picture and a description of my personal learning network of what it is. Here is a personal learning environment definition and just a picture to describe. And then here is my PLE with my community, my sources, my tools. And then underneath is my PLN PLE Google Doc I made, which has blogs, curation tools, and microblogs, a definition, helpful examples that all have embedded to the actual website. So for Diigo, if I want to go to Diigo, I can just click the link and it'll bring you to Diigo. Awesome resources to use. And so under my reflections, here is the reflection of my teacher blog. So this is just the assignment that I did, my 3 favorite blog posts, my personal critique, the author and her blog, a link to her blog, and then you can just go down and there's helpful pictures like this is Miss Kathy, the creator of the blog, and here's some pictures from some of her blog posts. If I go to my reflection of Diigo, here is my assignment with all my answers about the technology of Diigo, why I liked it, why I didn't like it, if it was easy to use, if I could use it in a classroom, advantages, disadvantages of the free and paid option. So all of that is on that reflection. And then my last reflection is the reflection of the Twitter microblog. So here is my assignment. I included 3 tweets from the Twitter speech TX ideas. Here is a picture of the profile from the Twitter, and then here are pictures from some of the tweets and the things I like about the tweets. So these are all my PLN, PLE assignments. And then the last thing under technology project is my website evaluation. So here's my assignment that I filled out for my website evaluation, answering all the questions about it. And under evaluations, I got my Apple Teacher Certification. And so here it shows you the 6 badges I got. I got it for the iPad, Pages, Keynote, Numbers, iMovie, and GarageBand, all for the iPad. And then under on the left bottom right corner is my tech blog. So here are my 3 blog posts about the wiki, the Educator's Guide to Copyright and Fair Use article, and just a little blog post about who I am, where I'm from, when I'm graduating, and just for what my blog's about for speech therapists and clients who need speech therapy, clients who have had speech therapy, and the parents of these clients. So that's just a little bit about my blog. And then that's it. That's my website. Thank you.